Mr. Jam is moving and finding to make a kid ill. Oh, where he's going? He's fine. Oh my God! Our little poor cat. Cat is sleeping. Cat, wake up! Wake up! Mr. Jam is in your mouth. Cat, wake up! Wake up, cute cat! Oh no! What will happen next? Oh my God! Wow! Cat will brush the teeth. Cat will brush the teeth. Oh, cute cat! Brush your teeth. Wow! Cat is very intelligent. She will brush the teeth. Oh, many germs in the mouth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brushing every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brushing every day. Brushing is good. Brushing teeth is very good. Up and down. Brushing very good. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brushing every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brushing every day. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brushing every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brushing every day. Now, very good. Cute kitten. Very nice. Now, rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth. Oh, how cute cat. Rinse your mouth. Brushing is good. Rinsing is good. Good habits you have, cute little cat. Now throw all dirty water. Oh, we fell down, Mr. Jam. Bye-bye. Mr. Jam is very angry. He's in very anger. And what he will do next? He have some plan. Oh, he will hide himself in the food. Oh, now what he will do? He will eat the fish. The cat will eat the fish. And also germs will in the belly. But cat will again brush the teeth. Again brush the teeth. Again brush the teeth. Brushing is a good thing. Again brush the teeth. Now clean your tongue up and down. Clean your tongue up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Go, Mr. Jam, up and down. Now again Mr. Jam is fell down. Hooray! We have done, Mr. Jam. Now we will go to the dentist and we will help the dentist. And dentist will tell we will not eat these candies, sweets. And if we'll eat, our teeth will be dirty and cavities will be there. So, brush our teeth on time.